subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is set to launch its new flagship smartphone by next year under Galaxy S11 series. But before the launch, there are many rumors about the upcoming smartphone. And recently, the renders of Galaxy S11 has surfaced online by 91 Mobiles in partner with OnLeaks that reveals the complete design of the smartphone. According to leak renders, the Galaxy S11 will feature a punch hole at the top center of the display for selfie camera, just like the Galaxy Note 10 series, but the edges are curved, similar to its predecessor. At the back, there is an quad camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash, and there are two more sensors, which is not clear what it could be. The volume rockers along with the power button are seen on the right edge, while the left side appears to be bare. The bottom of the phone houses a speaker grill, microphone, and a USB Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the phone is set to measure at 161.9 by 73.7 by 7.8 mm. Talking about the specifications, according to previous rumors, the Galaxy S11 will feature a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution, and it might support 120Hz screen refresh rate. The smartphone will also feature an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Exynos 990 chipset or Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. In terms of camera, the Galaxy S11 will feature a 108 megapixel main camera, and the other three camera details were not revealed, but it is expected to include 5x optical zoom camera with OIS support, plus ultra wide angle camera and a 3D TOF sensor. On the software front, the phone is set to run on latest Android 10 based on Samsung's One UI 2.0 custom skin on top. The battery capacity of the smartphone is unknown, but it is rumored to support 25 watts fast charging. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy S11 has leaked so far. Regarding the release date, the Samsung is expected to launch Galaxy S11 series by 3rd week of February 2020. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy S11 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.